Hi, this is IC Training and I'm your trainer Mia Essen. If you are new here, make sure you click the subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell icon for updates. Today we're going to learn how to do clipping mask with text tool to achieve interesting effects in Photoshop. So let's start. To open a file in Photoshop, click on File menu, Open, and select any image from your hard drive. Now I'm going to make a copy of this open layer, layer menu, new, layer via copy, Ctrl J, and named it as clipping mask. Select text tool from toolbar and type anything you want to. Select Move tool to adjust the position of text somewhere on your screen and reorder the clipping mask layer upward. By clicking on the eye icon, you can simply turn off layers in Photoshop. I just turn off the background layer for the time. And now layer and select create clipping mask. Now I'm just turn on background layer. Text is over there but we couldn't see it. To unlock a layer in Photoshop, you have to simply click on the background word. A pop-up menu will come out asking for the name for unlocking layer. I'm going to type background, hit OK. And to see the text, we have to decrease the opacity of selected background layer somewhere around 70 or 65. It depends on the shades on tones of the image you selected for the task. To make it more interesting, I just select the text layer and now applying some layer styles. For layer styles, you have to click on FX menu and select bevel and emboss, mostly used for text. You can increase the effect by moving these sliders. Now I'm going to apply stroke on my text. Color of the text stroke can be selected from color pop out. And the last one, drop shadow. You can adjust the angle and distance of drop shadow by clicking on screen. And as the output comes according to desirable results, accept it. Thank you for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz.